Alright, hey, what's up guys? This is the first video on our Airsoft channel, Noble Knights Airsoft. We're going to be doing stuff like reviews, gameplay, and unboxings, and pretty much anything else Airsoft related. And with that, let's get right into the unboxing. This was from Evike, about $350. Alright, first thing, that's who. Here is a Mad Bull 455 Black Python barrel. Here are 10 6mm Pro Shop mid caps, 140 rounds. Polymer mid caps, pretty nice. The next thing we have BBs, Matrix, .20s, 7,000. Alright, now to the big stuff. Right here, we have a M3 Tri-Shot by Double Eagle. Sorry about the knife, it's kind of dull. Oh, this is a weird box. So there's that. First glimpse of the gun. A sling, speed loader, some probably quite bad BBs, and a single shell. Wow, this actually feels pretty nice. Oh, it actually feels pretty solid for being all polymer. Very nice. And the last item, a ICS G33. Alright, we have a cleaning unjamming rod, a manual, a nice polymer high cap, some BBs and what looks to be extra fuses, and of course, the gun itself. And this thing as well, for being all polymer, feels very solid. Alright guys, so that was our first video and our first unboxing. And if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.